Nice teeth. Good job. Let's count. Can you count for me? Come on, count.
Okay,
Here.
one.
Mom's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mommy's got 5. Oh, you give me 5?
He's kind of likes to be the boss.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool.
Good
That's
job,
it.
baby.
Let's say ah. Open big.
Ah.
No, open. Good boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool.
Yay.
Good job. All right, let's have him. If he'll lay here, you want to hold his hand, that's fine. If not, he can give you a hug. Okay, face to face. Just keep your phone there. Put your feet on the ground there.
He's so active.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wild child.
He'll lay here. You can hold
Here,
his
baby.
hand.
Wanna
I'll try
hold
to be
the
as
camera?
quick as I can.
Here, baby.
You watch TV? We can do that too.
Kind of keeps him distracted. Here, look at yourself. Look.
Yep.
Ooh,
Say watch
see it,
TV.
see?
Yep, let's watch TV.
Wait, look, baby. Ah.
B, C, D, E, F.
Ah.
I'm just looking.
baby.
I'm just looking. G, H, and I. Just looking.
Look, he's not hurting you. Look, he's not hurting you. Look, see?
And then, oh, the ass on the bottom. Good job. Good job. What are you doing? What are you doing? So you don't make your mouth, huh?
He doesn't like it.
Right. Nobody does. Say cheese.
Thanks.
Close. Can you say cheese? I'll leave you alone. I know. Bites like a -4, Jets a 2. Oh, these aren't bad at all. These are great. Oh, you're being silly. You're being a silly Willy. Toofies. You just gotta keep an eye on this guy right here. That's the only thing right there. One more thing, man. I'll leave you go. Hold on, one more thing.
Oh, baby. Oh.
I didn't see any tears. Did you see any tears? Where are those tears at?
Oh, there's something.
Where are your tears at? There's no tears. You're silly, Willy. You did good. You did okay. Okay. Give mommy a hug. Give mommy a hug.
Can I have some love, baby?
So, get that little bit of plaque build up that's in the pacifier and foam.
A pacifier.
Okay. Because when you have a pacifier like that, you usually pull a lot more saliva. That's why you have that kind of a hard build up on the bottom. Once he gets a little older and a little more cooperative, I can scale it off. You're not going to get that off with a toothbrush, so don't go crazy trying to get it off. Here,
Look, baby.
that's yours, bud.
Thank you.
So this lateral up here, it should have been in probably a little earlier. It's there. It's just.
None of his teeth grew in until after he turned 1.
Yeah, so he's really delayed. So it's good you know that too, because when he turns 6, don't expect his teeth to fall in first grade. He might be the 7.5-year-old to lose teeth because his whole window got shifted back. Okay, and then he's gonna be delayed. He's a boy too, so it doesn't help. So he's gonna be a little delayed with getting his teeth, losing his teeth going forward, which is fine. I just want to make sure this tooth comes down like it's supposed to, because by now it should be down. It's there, but I don't know if something is obstructing it or just whatever. So we'll keep an eye on it. Please bring her back in 6 months, though. Can I make sure this is dropping down where it belongs? We'll just keep an eye on it. I'm not too worried. I'm going to keep an eye on it. He's got lots of good space between his teeth. It looks good. His bite's open. That's from the pacifier. So whenever the pacifier stops, the bite will collapse back down to normal. So like 3.5. If you can get that stopped by then, that'd be really awesome.
Yeah, I'm weaning him off of it now, kind of just to help
You can
him
go
sleep.
cold turkey if you want, but he's going to give you a hard time. But
Yeah, I
you
just
gotta
give it
do
to
what
him
you
when he sleeps because if
Exactly.
I tried cold turkey and
Yeah, so cut down the juice. No soda, no iced tea, no lemonade, just water, white milk, okay?
I give him water and I give him almond milk.
Almond milk is fine? Okay.
I don't know what they give him in his dad's house, but that's what I give him.
Okay, so, well, relay the message down the road if you can, because this is going to help. I'll give you the sheet so you can hand that off the dash.
Okay.
You don't have to relay all the messages. Do that. Okay?
Can I wipe your tears? Look, say cheese and
Fluoride, that's just, it's
Thank
like it's a vitamin that makes any weak spots in the teeth strengthens back up. So, and then just make sure you're brushing morning and night. Just use a little bit of water or a little bit of training toothpaste. It's fine. That's yours. I don't want it. You use it. Okay.
Can you hold this? Can I have it? I'll put it away.
So, and we'll see you in 6 months. I'll send you a card mail. Do you have any other questions, concerns, anything?
No, that's all I really need.